Whoa, can hardly see my face, right? No light. All right, my people, I'm home. It's Monday, and I'm just sharing with you these little tomatoes. You know, it's getting cold now in New England, and so these were reaped. Not ripe, but they're very full. So I see that they're getting some color as they sit in here. So, boy, this morning I'm home. Home, can't show no face. Can me, me home. And we got the day off today. It's a holiday for the indigenous people. Um, Meaning everybody have them history. We all have a history. And inside of the history, some good, some bad. Whole heap of bad, but we're here. We're still present. So I'm listening to Delia in Jamaica, RJR and me. We're just there looking through some stuff and just chilling, just a chill. Just let me touch bases with you, my people. Hope that wherever you are, you're okay. That you have been drinking up a lot of water today. And just keep in mind that water is essential. It is so, so essential because we don't want the blood to get too thick. We want enough fluids so that blood flowing how it's supposed to flow and it not clog up and to create any problems. So drink some water, man, as you walk around, as you do your movement, as you dance, as you sing, do your little sip. Just sip and dance. Walk around your house, walk around your space. If you're outside, it's windy today, it's cold today. I actually went in to get jackets for it's getting colder, so fall jackets and even get my winter jackets ready. Just check through to see I have a couple to give. But not showing off, I'm just saying too, if you clean your closets and you find a couple of coats, it's time to go through the coat closet now. And so you find a couple of coats, you can get to somebody to keep them warm. Because when it's freezing outside, or even now that it's cooler and blustery, it can be chilling to the bones. So just do what you do, guys. Just do what you do every day as you go around. Take good care of yourselves. Continue to move as much as you can. Just get up and walk. And again, was just sharing a heap of tomato come from outside. Callaloo, I think Callaloo done cut now. I think Danny clean up the garden now. And we have some bags in the freezer. And we have some tomatoes. So at least a week or so we don't need to buy tomatoes, right? So plant something, guys. When the weather is good, plant something. Those of you in Jamaica who have year-round sunlight, nothing for burn up on a plant, some veggies. Plant something, man. It save you from spending. And put a couple dollars in your pocket. You know, plant up little carrot, your little tomato, your necessities. And when you're going out to the market, now you just need a little meat or, So do what you have for the people to survive, yeah? And to survive without the stress. Remember, stress is the killer. I am going to do my live on Wednesday evening at 7 p.m. So on Wednesday evenings at 7, I will start going live. I want to make it consistent. And so that you guys we can talk. So if you want to put something in the chat, guys, in the comment, put something in there and tell me what you would like me to talk about. This Wednesday coming, I hope I'll talk about mental health and why it's necessary to keep ourselves stress free. Because without stress or with less stress, we can do better. We'll feel better. We'll do better. So Wednesday at 7, let's talk about how to just keep down the stress and take care of our mental health. So you'll get some more videos before then. But just remember that that's going to be our topic for Wednesday. Just be good to yourselves, whatever you do. Can't show my bottom because you know, just be good to yourselves. Be good, very good to yourselves. This is Miss Bev checking out. Take care.